Ever wondered what New York City looks like at night? Picture this, the city that never sleeps, humming with energy as the sun dips below the horizon. Neon lights dance on the pavement, and skyscrapers sparkle like stars in a concrete galaxy. The cityscape, a canvas of illuminated dreams, paints a vibrant nightlife that pulses with life. The allure of New York City after dark is truly unique. It's a symphony of light and life that's always bustling, always awake. So, buckle up as we embark on a mesmerizing nocturnal journey through the city that never sleeps. Imagine standing in the heart of the city, Times Square, surrounded by towering digital billboards that light up the night sky. It's an electrifying experience, with energy pulsating around every corner. The crowd, a vibrant mix of tourists and locals, hums with anticipation and excitement, echoing the city's ceaseless heartbeat. The lights, oh the lights! They're more than just bright. They're alive, dancing in a never-ending ballet of colors and shapes. They bathe the square in a radiant glow, turning night into an artificial day, making every moment feel like a scene from a movie. And then there are the street performers, each one a star in their own right, showcasing their talents amidst the city's grandeur. The shops, too, are a spectacle, offering everything from high-end fashion to kitschy souvenirs. Don't forget to take a moment on the iconic red steps, a perfect perch for soaking in the city's dazzling spectacle. Times Square, a place where the pulse of the city is the strongest, leaving you with a feeling of awe and excitement. Next, visualize the iconic Statue of Liberty, standing tall against the starry sky, her torch shining brightly. This glowing beacon of hope, a symbol of freedom and democracy, takes on a magical aura as night descends. The nightly illumination enhances Her Majesty, casting a mesmerizing silhouette against the city's skyline. One can experience this spectacle on a ferry ride, a journey that offers stunning panoramic views of the illuminated Lady Liberty in all her glory. The Statue of Liberty, an embodiment of freedom, becomes even more enchanting under the night sky. Now, imagine a peaceful stroll in Central Park under the soft glow of the moonlight. Picture the tranquility that engulfs the park after sundown. The dappled light from the lampposts illuminates the winding paths, casting long, dancing shadows of ancient trees. The faint rustle of leaves and distant murmur of the city are the only sounds, creating a symphony of serenity. This calmness stands in stark contrast to the daytime hustle and bustle. Central Park at night, a serene oasis in the heart of the city, provides a soothing end to our nocturnal journey. As our night tour of New York City comes to an end, let's take a moment to reflect on the magic we've experienced. From the dazzling lights of Times Square to the illuminated majesty of the Statue of Liberty and the serene beauty of Central Park, each location has offered us a unique and unforgettable nighttime experience. We heartily encourage you to immerse yourself in the city's vibrant nightlife when you visit. And so, under the city lights, we bid goodbye to the city that never sleeps, carrying with us memories of a captivating night.